So XRP volume is up, Mr. Humphreys. What do you think that is attributed to? That's the question we're going to get into. And by the way, thanks for hanging out with me, and welcome to the Clear channel for those of you guys watching the video. So what do you think the volume's attributed to, man?
Well, I know you've been covering this too, man. The whale activity has been up. I know it's been a lot of whale activity recently, which, some people don't like that, but it's good because when whales are gearing up and they're making moves, they probably are, knowing something's coming. And we're all awaiting the big day when we find out what's going to happen, right? Between Ripple, SEC. And I think people are gearing up in hopes that, it goes Ripple's way. And many people believe XRP's price will skyrocket.
Yeah, and I think also we had Bitmart, bring XRP back on from you can now, buy, share, buy, share. You get my point. Buy and sell. It's dementia. It's setting in. Yeah, you can get it. But do you think that? I guess the question I have for you then would be: do you think that people are speculating? We're all speculating on the SEC thing, but do you think people are speculating, i.e., buying volume on, reinitiation of coverage by some exchanges?
I think that's part of it. I think the other part of it is, Brad Garlinghouse, late last year, I think it was in October, said that, sometime in the first half of 2023, we're going to get an answer. So I think people are just gearing up based on those comments, based on the fact that, this thing's been going on for 2+ years. It's got to end at some point, and they think it's going to be sometime soon. Yeah. I know for me personally, I'm invested in XRP, not heavily invested. That might be a mistake, and I'm okay to say that. But, I want to tread with caution a little bit. And I hope it's not too late if we get the news that, they're going to win, that you could still get in before it, goes parabolic. Yeah. That's just kind of how I'm playing it.
Fair enough. Yeah, I think it's good. It's interesting to watch. I think there's some good stuff coming. It's kind of the calm before the storm. So we're going to end on that note. Again, XRP volume is running. Bitmart, new exchange initiating coverage. You can buy, sell, that kind of stuff. And yeah, we're all waiting for the SEC. If you're interested in links in the description below, check out all things Clear. Good stuff going on. We'll see you.